it's 3 o'clock and outside the eye of the hurricane is passing Jacksonville at this hour. And we have winds about 20 to 30 miles an hour in this neighborhood. Lots of tree leaves and twigs, but nothing major, thank goodness. Thank God. And just wanted you guys to see. This is out the front door. All right, Razor, let's go. We're coming to you live from Green Cove Springs, Florida. It's 3:15 in the afternoon. The eye of the hurricane is passing just off to the east of Jacksonville. And I'm not trying to take Jim Cantori's job, but I figured I'd just fill you guys in on how things are going here in Green Cove. As you can see, it's lots of leaves and twigs that have been knocked down. Winds are about 40 miles an hour, 30 to 40 miles an hour. Gusts up to 50 or 60. And there is a tree down right there, but that's the only one that we can see so far. Here at the homestead, things are going fine, except, of course, for lots of twigs and leaves. Razor, my supervisor, was supposed to be out here with me, but I think he had better sense. Let's see if we can find him. How are you supposed to be supervising and you're standing over there out of the ring? I guess he does have better sense than I do. At any rate, things are going fine. Got the generator about to fire that up. And other than the rain, that's about it. Okay, so we got the master switch thrown. We've turned off the larger circuits, AC, heat, water heater, things like that, and now we're ready for the generator.
County in northeastern Florida until 7:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated persistent heavy rain winds from Hurricane Matthew that will cause flooding in addition to the surge flooding occurring.